Assalamu alaikum. I'm Enerjman Dilmas. Welcome you on behalf of Bahria News. This is the first time Bahria News has been launching. Bahria News is the basic endeavor of the X-News Bahria University and the Media Club. It is targeted to making the students aware about the university's happening and events so that they can take part in any extracurricular event suiting their own expertise. For now, let's move on to today's headlines. First of all, we have the Music Society organizing a jam for the students, followed by the Literary and Debates Club organizing a talk on the Women's Day, the Media Society organizing a movie night for the students of Bahria. Welcome back. Now we have a detailed news for the week. Firstly, the Music Society organizing a gig for the students. It was an open amphitheater jam for the university students. Various university students performed various songs they wanted to their own expertise, which included singers like Kyarok Masood Malik, Ali Yavar, and the rap engineers who were renowned, and the crowd enjoyed the music to a greater extent. Let's have a look at the footage for the event.
Good evening, viewers. As you can see behind me, the Music Society has arranged an outdoor gig just outside XC. And they've been doing this for the past few semesters, and you know, I say what better way to start spring than just a great music.
Yeah, because it's our home, Bahria. It's the home for hip-hop in Pakistan, basically.
Right.
It's all started here. The game's been here since then. We've made them, actually. So
right.
now they're comfortable.
It's been a long journey for like 5 years now.
Yeah, because it's actually Bahria who made us. So.
Right, okay.
It's very good. It's a wonderful experience. I enjoy when people are given a chance to portray their own talent, you know, even if they're classical or western. Like students in Bahria University are extremely talented, and they have proven themselves all over Pakistan, so it's a very good event.
This is a very good opportunity for students because in most of the places our country is very into the social problems and problems like that. They don't find opportunities to perform or express their art.
I think the guys have put up a good show. It's high time the management buys the sound. And I think the management needs to endorse more such events. And buy the sound, please, people watching.
Now we have the Literary and Debates Club organizing an event in light of the International Women's Day on 7th March 2011. The event was a great success in the history of the Literary and Debates Club, as it was the first ever talk show which was conducted by the club. Various members of the International Media were present, included Nausheen Abbas, Taira Abdullah, Nigar Nazar and Jacqueline Wolf. The event was basically targeting and making the students aware about the importance of the Women's Day. The topic under discussion was Virility, Thy Name is Woman.
जो लॉन्ग टर्म है वो ये है कि हमें जागीरदाराना निज़ाम भी ख़त्म करना होगा, कबायली निज़ाम भी ख़त्म करना होगा और पिदरशाही निज़ाम भी ख़त्म करना होगा. एटीट्यूड्स और माइंडसेट तब्दील करने होंगे. फौजी आमिर डिक्टेटरों की हुकूमतें भी मानती हैं और ऑन द रिकॉर्ड हैं, उनके सरबराहान भी मानते हैं, उनकी मिनिस्टर्स भी मानते हैं, उनके तमाम ये डेटा सच है और ये एक साइंटिफिक सोशल साइंस रिसर्च मेथोडोलॉजी के सुनहरी असूलों के और स्ट्रिक्ट असूलों के तहत कलेक्ट किया गया है.
अगर हम सब 15 करोड़ पाकिस्तानी ये छोटी सी काविश करें तो माहौल में जरूर फर्क पड़ेगा.
Assalamu alaikum. Bahria University's Literary and Debates Club organized an event on women empowerment. For this reason, they called some prestigious guests to talk here. We have with us the CC, and the DC of the club. Assalamu alaikum, both of you. So can you tell me what was this event about?
It was basically for Women's Day, which is tomorrow, the 8th of March. And it was a discussion on Virility, Thy Name is Woman. because we want to do something on women empowerment, and we felt that this would be an adequate topic because women in Pakistan are seen as frail or weak, but we do not feel that this is the case. So we gave this question and we put it up for discussion, and that's what...
Basically, we believe that the club was pretty much inactive over the previous semesters, and plus women empowerment is a major current issue which our society, which the patriarchal society of Pakistan has been facing. So we as club members we were very motivated to bring a change. So I think this was the best forum where we collaborated, we all joined hands, and it made it possible. So it was basically to educate the masses, the crowd. When this goes forward, everybody in that room would have walked out with a message, right?
It was only for women?
Well, it was for everybody. It was irrespective. It was not gender biased. Okay? We were not targeting on men folk and educating them, but it was just about creating an awareness in the society at large, because everybody's going to promulgate the work forward in future.
This seminar, it was just an open discussion. It was to create awareness in Bahia. We did have quite a few male students in there as well, but it's not like we were focusing only on the men. We had male students, we had female students, we had male faculty members, we had female faculty members. So it was open to everyone.
So do you think women empowerment is actually practiced in Pakistan also?
Exactly.
On a very small scale. I mean, it's very divided. On one hand, you see people like our guest speakers like Tahir Abdullah, who is a very, very, very vocal human rights activist, women rights activist. And on the other hand, you have women who are too scared to even, kind of utter a word. So our society is kind of divided. But it is, women empowerment is practiced in that,
It's practiced technically, that's what we even asked these ladies, that it's practiced everywhere irrespective of the geographic borders. It is even practiced in the metropolitan city like London, like US, even there, right? So the point is that it has to be created in the masses, जो बहुत rural areas की हैं, उनके लिए contribution क्या की थी? Motivation, basically. Getting inspired by these ladies and being like one. I would like to be like Tahir Abdullah or anybody like that.
This is Nanika Zaman reporting from SRC Bahia News. Thank you.
Last but not the least, we have the Media Club organizing a movie night for the students of Bahia University. The movie shown for the hour was The Mechanic. It was greatly enjoyed by the crowd of Bahia University. Later, ladies and gentlemen, the show ended up with the prize distribution ceremony for the GQ Media Fest.